Hello, today we're going to see if 112 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Then we're going to classify the number as even or odd. Before we start this lesson, let me tell you something. You have to check all the rules. If you don't know the rules, it's a good idea to memorize them and then come again to see how to apply it. Let's see. 112 is divisible by 2. We only have to check if the number is even. The ones digit is the first digit on the right. So this number 2 tells us this number is divisible by 2. Then the 112 to be divisible by 3 has to be a multiple of 3 when you add the digits. 1 plus 1 plus 2. If you add this, is 4. And 4 is not a multiple of 3. So it's not divisible by 3. Let's see if 112 is divisible by 4. To be divisible by 4, the last two digits, these two numbers, have to be divisible by 4. Let's see. 12. 4, 8, 12. So it's a multiple of 4 to 12. We can say the number is divisible by 4. To be divisible by 5, the ones digit, this one, has to be 0 or 5. As you can see, 2 is not 0 or 5, so it's not divisible by 5. To be divisible by 6, the number has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. As you can see, the number is divisible by 2, but not by 3. So it's not divisible by 6. To be divisible by 9, the sum of the digit has to be a multiple of 9. If you remember here, the sum is 4. And 4 is not a multiple of 9. We can say the number is not divisible by 9. And to be divisible by 10, the ones digit, the first one on the right, has to be 0. As you can see, it's not 0. So it's not divisible by 10. Finally, we can say that the number is divisible by 2 and by 4. And because it's divisible by 2, we can say that it's even.